Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and for today's video, yes, and I'm back. Medyo marami lang nangyari, naging busy lang and ayun, yung mga nangyaring mga bagay-bagay. Pero importante, I'm back. Pero, the purpose of this video is not to review me, but to review me smart clock. So this is one of the newest product from Xiaomi, and actually hindi na siya bago eh. I think merong similar na ganitong device few years ago. Speaker ata, AI speaker, I forgot. Pero eto na, pero available na to sa Philippines sa mga Mi store. And tingnan natin, unbox natin to and tingnan natin kung ano ang may expect natin sa product na ito. Let's go! By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video and you will expect an honest opinion from me. Sa me. Let's go. And as you can see, this is the typical packaging of Xiaomi. And ganda ang packaging niya. Meron dito, okay Google, so pwede rin namang hey Google yon. So, syempre, nakita nyo yan. Natanggal ko na actually. Dahil pinacheck ko to kung gumagana. Kaya natanggal na yung yun. Out of the box, meron tayong user manual. Kailangan natin yan pag kailangan natin. Hindi ko matanggal. Pause ko muna ha. Ayan. So, natanggal ko na itong box na ito, which most probably the adapter. Ayan. And bilog siya. So, you would need an adapter for this kung wala kayong saksakan ng bilog. Saksakan ng bilog. And ito na yung mismong smart clock. And ano pa ba ang mga nasa box? Parang wala na. Pero double check natin, baka may secret dito. Asa. Yan. Kita nyo, sira na yun, no? Kasi pinatest ko na to kung gumagana sa store. Alright, so okay. Maganda yung quality ng plastic. Hindi siya cheap looking. And mukha siyang premium. Sa ilalim, ito yung speakers. And ito yung micro USB. And on the top, may tatlong buttons. And nandito yung dalawang microphone. So yung buttons lang is minus ng volume and plus volume, and sa gitna is yung mute button. And that's it. Now let's try to turn on the smart clock. Pakabila pala. Ayan. So, I think kung meron naman kayong sariling cable, you can use that. Pero, hindi ko alam. So, ayan. Nag-start up na siya. Let's just wait. I think kailangan may internet connection ka na agad. Okay. Ayan. Nag-load na yung Google Assistant ba to? Or Google Home?
Hi,
or
I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So, let's download the app. Or meron na ata ako sa phone. Let's set this up and let's try. So, habang dina-download ko yung app, let's try this. Okay, responsive naman yung minus. Then yung plus. Okay. Pwedeng hold, mas mabilis. Uy. Yung gitna. Mute lang naman yun. And so basically in-input ko lang yung sa Wi-Fi credentials. So kumo-connect na siya sa nag-update. Medyo matagal-tagal pa to. So let's skip this. So kung naliligaw kayo, no, pwede niyo i-check yung manual. So itong manual na to, makapal to pero marami lang tong puro translation. So, setup dito. Mga technical spec din nandito. So, pwede nating reviewin din dito yung specs na itong ano. So, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Pero, ayan. Dito rin yung mga kailangan nyo malaman. And, ayan. 18 pages lang. Hindi ko lang kung ilang pages yung English. So, ayan, huwag natin check yan. Tagal. There you go. So, ayan, alarm, weather.
Today in Quezon City, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 93 and a low of 77.
Ba't siya
Right now it's 81 degrees and mostly cloudy.
So, ayan yung sa weather. Ano pinot ko? Okay. More detailed weather report. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. So, exit na tayo dito. Paano mag-out? Ayun. Spotify. So, sinink ko na kanina yung Spotify ko dito. Sa setup. Ano to? Okay. Night light. Set alarm. Good morning. Let's play music. But, nasa tutorial ba ako? Parang nasa ano yun, no? Ano to? Wow. Zilbe. Oh, okay. Nagpe-play. Volume and brightness, other settings. Okay, sa ilalim. Alright. Okay, so ayan yung brightness. Ay, ano ba yun? Pang volume lang pala talaga. Oh, no. So, ayan, pwede natin change yung clock style. So, maraming mga preset dito. And, ayan, ito, ang ganda. Ayan, so, sana in the future, madagdagan pa yan. So, ito yung parang photo frame. So, dito sa music, nakasync to sa Spotify account ko. So, let's try playing quick.
I know 꽂혔을 가치도 없단 걸.
Lakas din siya, ha? Hey Google, change photo frame.
Here you go.
Hey Google, podcast.
Sure, I have 9 podcast episodes that are ready to go. You can listen at your own pace by saying pause or next. Let's start with Taiwan this week, a travel bubble confirmed.
We interrupt this broadcast with some
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Currently in Quezon City, it's 84 degrees and partly cloudy. Tonight, the forecast is around 81 and partly cloudy.
So mapunta tayo sa mga bagay na nagustuhan ko sa clock na ito. Well, una, syempre, clock siya. Digital clock. You can set alarms, of course. That's the typical functionality of a digital clock. And you can do that by just simple voice command. Like for example, hey Google, set alarm at 4 a.m.
Done. Set for 4 a.m.
Like that. So, hands-free. Although, pwede naman siyang gawin gamit ng cellphone nyo. Pero syempre, smart clock. So, ito na lang kayo, di ba? And of course, para ka na rin may photo frame, kagaya na ito, si Sana, is, siya ang din-display ko. So, ayan. Pero, automatic yan. So, kung gusto nyo na parang photo frame with a clock, yan, baka pwede rin sa inyo to. Lalo na gusto ko dito is smooth ang interface niya, no? Walang lag or something, which is actually good. Another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is you can play music, and yung sound niya is very decent sound, no? Hindi siya yung sobrang lakas, pero sakto lang. Pwedeng-pwede na on the bed side na kung gusto niyo mag sound trip bago matulog. And another thing na nagustuhan ko, syempre, you can control anything around. Like for example, I control the light in my room. Hey Google, turn off center light. Hey Google, turn on center light. Just like that. And another thing, pwede kayong makinig ng mga podcast aside from music, kung gusto nyo makinig ng podcast or news. And another thing na gusto ko dito is the design. Medyo makapansin nyo, although all white siya, pero yung material niya, hindi siya parang cheap. At maganda ang kanyang plastic. Although maganda sana kung may available na ibang kulay nito, pero okay na rin naman ng white. Papunta tayo sa mga ayoko sa smart clock na ito. First, napansin ko na habang inawa ko siya, parang talaga na sobrang init niya. Hindi ko alam kung sa unit ko lang na ito or ganun talaga siya sa ibang mga units. Pero, hindi ko naman siya ibubulsa. Hindi ko naman siya hawakan ng palagi. So, I think, okay lang naman. Although, pangamba ko lang, pangamba, is baka masira siya agad dahil lagi siyang mainit.
Okay.
Another thing na medyo hindi ko gusto is wala siyang backup na battery. So, kailangan mo talagang laging nakasaksak to. Although, sabi ko naman, hindi mo naman to dadalhin. And naka-steady lang siya sa isang posisyon. So, okay lang naman nakasaksak palagi. Pero, what if kung mawala yung kuryente? Wala ka na yung clock. Pero, ayun nga. And another thing is, medyo nag-expect ako dito sa smart clock na ito. I mean, although you can control smart equipments or smart appliances in your home, kaya ng ilaw or mga socket, mga plug, yung mga smart devices nyo, and especially yung mga under the ecosystem ng Xiaomi. Pero based dun sa napanood ko na kamukhang-kamukha nito, may other features ang smart clock na ito. Pwede manood ka ng videos and other things. Actually, iba rin yung center button doon. Yung center button doon is para mag-sleep yung screen. And that was 2 years ago. So I was thinking, maybe binago talaga nila ang functionality nito nung naging Google Home na siya. Kasi previously, ang gamit is yung Mi AI na app. which is may mga pre-installed na mga programs or let's say mga applications na pwede nyo access, na pwede kayo manood ng mga videos and other things na pwede mong gawin sa unit na ito. Pero yun yung akala ko na makukuha ko rin dito dahil magkamukha sila. So, sulit ba ang smart clock na ito? Well, may mga other options in the market right now na mga smart clock. I think yung Lenovo, meron din silang smart clock. Pero if you're looking for something na under the Mi ecosystem, let's say for example, meron kayong mga binili mga smart devices from Mi, like for example, yung air purifier, yung mga lights nila, and other things, is maganda na lang gamitin to dahil under the same ecosystem. Although pwede mo rin naman makontrol yung mga ibang mga appliances using the Google Home application kung nakalink naman doon. And if you're also looking for a Google Assistant speaker, is a great companion as well. Dahil sa dalawang microphone dito, it's really responsive, and I think it will act as a smart speaker as well. Actually, smart speaker talaga ata siya. Pero kung worth it ba to sa mga features na ito, I think there will be other brands na mas okay ang mga features. And by the way, the price of this product, ba't pag ito ako magsalita? Para akong is 1,999. So, 2,000. And sabi ko, in 2,000 pesos, you can find other products that have the same features with a lesser price or more features with the same price. Kayo nang bahala, maghanap na. And I think that is for this video. Hopefully, magkaroon ng update yung firmware neto, and para may mga new functionalities or new features na magagawa sa smart clock na ito. Pero for now, explore ko, baka meron akong na-miss, baka meron pang functionality na hindi ko nakita. I think kung meron kang security camera from Mi, you can use this as a monitor. Pero I'm not sure, wala akong ganun. So, hindi ko siya matitest. Pero hopefully in the future, matest natin. But for now, I use it as a clock, as an alarm, play music with it, and also news in the morning. And a Google Assistant. With that being said, I think worth it naman siya para sa akin dahil nagagamit ko naman yung mga features niya. And I think that's it for this video. I will be unboxing other Mi items or Mi products in the future. So, put down in the comments below kung anong gusto nyong i-unbox ko. Xiaomi. And also, I'll be uploading yung mga hindi ko na na-upload ng mga ginawa kong videos from last year na nakatambak lang. So, ma-upload ko na sila. Medyo mahaba pa po ko dun. And I think that's it for this video. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, kung nakatulong ako, kung may silbi ba tong video na ginawa ko, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa mga features kong mga upload. Sa mga upload kong futures. Sa mga future uploads ko. Yun. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Take care. And God bless. Bye. Peace. Alright.